Hi, this is Dr. O'Connor. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how the Blackboard course is laid out, and I'm going to show you how to access your Pearson eText and assignments. So let's first start with the Pearson eText and assignments. You will need to go to this link here, the Brightwave course materials, to access the access code. And once you have the access code, then you will click on My Lab and Mastering Course Home and enter that access code. This is the only link where you're going to be able to access the mastering course for this semester. So once you have your access code in and all of that, then you're going to click on to Mastering, and here we have your side might look a little different, but basically you can go to the eText, and your textbook is right here. It takes a moment, or more than a moment. Okay, so here is the textbook. So what you do is you can go up here. Okay, there we go. Go up here to the table of contents, and let's just go to chapter 1. And so here is chapter 1. You can go through the pages, and so everything you need for the eText is right here for you. Okay, so the next important thing that you'll want to go to would be your mastering assignments. So let's go back here. I'm going to have to go back into the mastering course. So the assignments are listed here, and as you can see, most of the assignments already have due dates. Okay, so these are the required homework assignments. These are worth 10 points each, and you have to make sure that you know the due dates for these assignments. These are dynamic study modules, and I will put due dates on those as we go through the course. There are about 28 or 30 of these. You're only going to be graded on 20 of them. And then finally we have the adaptive follow-ups for the required homework assignments, and again, each one of these is worth 1 point extra credit. If you scored an 85% or higher for the corresponding homework assignment, you'll automatically get that 1 point. But if you scored below 85%, then if you want to earn another point, make sure you do the adaptive follow-ups. So here, notice the assignments are listed. If you go to the calendar, then we'll see that the assignments are in the calendar once I assign a due date to those assignments. For anything that has a due date past December 9th, like if I have a due date of January 2023, then that is just for practice. I have to put due dates on everything that is going to be available to you during the semester. So, just remember the semester is over in January, so those assignments would not be graded. Okay, so now that we've taken care of mastering, let's go back here to the home page of Blackboard. If you look on the left hand side here, you'll see a folder. It says Panopto Videos. This is where the lecture videos can be found. Okay, so I will be recording the lecture, again, as long as the technology is working. Okay, so we have the two links here for mastering. Again, make sure you use those. this is a periodic table and solubility rules and some constants. So that'll be the only periodic table that you can use for exams. So I would suggest printing it out, and that way you'll always have it. The Start Here folder is important. Make sure you read this. Read the material here and also watch the videos. Okay, I'll answer questions the first day of class about the course and the syllabus. This is our syllabus and course information folder. The syllabus will be in here. There'll also be a folder for the honors students, so your syllabus and your assignments will also be in there. This is from last fall, so this will change, but this is a tentative course schedule, which of course you can find in your syllabus. I'll also put the quiz due dates in here, student evaluation, and again, honor students will have their own folder in there. And then finally, one of the most important folders is the course content folder. And in the course content folder, I have a folder with the quizzes. So you'll access your quizzes. I don't think there are some in here. No, there aren't. You'll be able to access your quizzes each week in the quizzes folder. And then this is the cleanup quiz folder. And then finally, we have folders for each of the chapters. So here is chapter 1. You would open that folder. All of your objectives are listed here according to the sections of your textbook. Lecture slides, I advise printing those out and bringing them to class. We also have study guides for each chapter, and you click on these and this takes you to my website, Pathways to Chemistry, and here are all the study guides that I've done for General Chemistry 1. Actually, they're more like a textbook. It took me a couple years to do this. So you would just click on a study guide of interest. So for example, conversion factors. And this explains how to do the conversion factors, how to solve problems. I also suggest videos for you to watch. And there are also exercises here. And you can view the worked out solutions if you get stuck on an exercise. So they're all right there. And the next thing I have are optional videos. These are problem help videos. Again, these can be found on my website, Pathways to Chemistry. And let's see, we have additional practice problems for each of the chapters. I suggest, doing those if you can. This won't show until after I finish the first lecture. And then we have key equations here. Okay, so a lot of material in each of these chapter folders. So let's see, let's go back to the home page, and then we have university resources for students. So there are links to different university resources, university policies, Blackboard technical support, and all of that. And then one more thing that I want to show you is Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. I don't have any sessions listed here yet, but I'll be using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra for my office hours and also for our exam review sessions. So keep that in mind. And I think that's all I needed to show you as far as mastering and Blackboard. Oh, and by the way, let me go back here to mastering. I will have some questions that I'll pose to you during the lecture, and we'll be using learning catalytics for that. And you are able to access the learning catalytics in mastering. So I'll tell you in lecture, I'll say, well, go ahead and access learning catalytics, and then you will need to answer the questions. And this gives me an idea of where most of the class is with a particular topic. Okay. And there was one more thing I wanted to show you in here, and I don't remember now what that was, but you have to keep track of all your due dates in the mastering for both your required homework assignments and the 20 dynamic study modules. So everybody have a wonderful day and get out and enjoy the summer. And it's almost over. So I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.